figure out a way to get them through the tunnel. There's nothing I can do about the palace guards.
We'll worry about that. Just help us get inside. Where are you taking us?
To the pit.
The pit?
An Earth Kingdom labor camp for prisoners of war. No one who's been sent there has ever been heard from again.
You're not as lucky.
Use issue.
So makes sense. This one says to travel east. This one shows the path due south, and this one is right straight up. What is it? It's my Fire Nation contact. Tell me to meet him. Then go to the Earth Kingdom journals and let them know they can set a trap to round up these spies. No. The Firegunners made it clear. Any resistance and they'll send everything they've got at us.
Let them come. The Avatar has returned to the world. It's time to stop hiding. It's time to fight.
Your Highness. The prisoner you released. He was caught fighting, destroying property, menacing the people. And he's an airbender.
Lotus root, pine bark, dried jasmine. Lotus root, pine bark, dried jasmine, scalding hot water, steep for 2 minutes. Tea?
Okay.
And you're wrong about it. Wrong! He is not just an airbender. He is the master of all 4 elements, the savior of the world. He is the Avatar. And he's very, very good at rock skipping.
Boomy?
Hello, Aang.
Boomy! How are you still alive?
Clean living, the right diet, and luck. Hard to say if it's good or bad luck, but more importantly, how are you still alive? I'm still a child.
It's a long story.
Pine bark? What idiot told you to put pine bark in it?
You did.
Throw him a feast.
Smoked turkey neck.
Jet,
You betrayed us.
betrayed you? I stopped you from killing innocent people.
Innocent? Spies, traitors, is that who you want to save?
Not everyone out there is the enemy.
Stand against us.